class 6 or class 7. So here if you see, uh, you are Rakesh Raut, Secretary of the English Debaters Club of Gandhi Memorial School, Sambalpur. Write a notice for notice board inviting names of those who would like to participate in the proposed inter-house debate competition. Okay, so you understood the question. Now look at the answer. Who would like to read the answer?
So can I?
Okay, please read.
Gandhi Memorial School, Sambalpur. Notice: 4th July 2020, Inter-School Debate Competition. All students of class 6 to 10 are hereby informed that English Debaters Club of the school is organizing an inter-house debate competition on 23rd July in the school hall from 9 a.m. onwards. All the house captains are requested to submit 4 names from each house to the undersigned. Rakesh Rao, Secretary, English Debaters Club.
Okay, I hope all of you have gone through this, the the actual answer for this question. Now let us dissect and let us find out what is the format here. You can see on the top what is written: Gandhi Memorial School, Sambalpur. So what is that?
School's name.
Okay, that is information about the institution or the school.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the institution, name of the institution, that will come on the top. Next, notice. The word notice has to be written. Please remember, you can write the name of the school or the institution in small letter, but this notice you please write in capital. That will, because I mean, the purpose of notice is that people should notice it. You understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
It should be noticed. Okay, means it is important. All right, so notice has to be highlighted. You can use also like some darker color to write the word notice. Even in the examination you can use a black pen, or maybe like you can darken that with a pencil. Then you have the date. Look at the format of the date. Is it written like 4th or 4/07/2020? Is it written like that? You may ask me a question, sir, is it mandatory to write the dates like this? No, it is not mandatory, but it is always advisable to write the date in this manner. Okay, because this is the formal way of writing the dates. Even in the letters, if you see, we follow that date format. So I would advise all of you to follow this format of writing the date in notice as well. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, you have inter-house debate competition. So what is that? Yes, that is the
Pick.
yeah, right. That is the topic, or we can say that is the caption or the heading. Topic of the notice. What is the purpose of this notice? Without even reading the main body, someone will understand what is the purpose, the objective of this notice. So the objective of writing this notice is that inter-house debate competition is going to be conducted. Alright. Okay, next in the body you can see a particular way of beginning or introduction, like all the students of class 6 to 10 are hereby informed. Can you please give me some alternative ways through which we can begin that sentence? Yes, some different ways in which we can begin this part. All the students of, yeah,
So it is to be informed.
yes, it is to be informed to the students of classes 6 to 10, or it is hereby informed to the students of classes 6 to 10. Okay, or students of classes 6 to 10 are informed that. So these are the different ways through which we can begin or introduce. Okay, that English Debaters Club of the school is organizing an inter-house. So now see how many sentences are written in the body of the notice. Tell me, maximum how many sentences are there?
3 sentences.
Yeah, maximum 2 to 3 sentences are there. Okay, from all the students till this is 9 a.m. onwards, one sentence. all the house captain are requested. Okay, we have got two sentences only. Okay, and in these
Yes, sir.
two sentences, can you please tell me we can get answers of what particular questions? कौन कौन से चीज़ों के यहाँ पे हमें आंसर मिलते हैं? Like,
Sir,
The date,
okay,
time,
that is when. All right.
class,
Yeah, we can get
class,
answer for.
place,
All right.
the
Go on.
names of the students,
Mm-hmm.
who is the organizer,
Can a participant information regarding the place and the time where it will be conducted?
All right, you are right. So we get answer for questions like what, when, where, who. Okay, who will participate, where it will be conducted, when it will be conducted, what is the competition, what is the event, then whom to contact. Okay, so answers of all these questions can be written within 2 to 3 sentences maximum. Remember, you will get question on notice writing for 3 marks. 3 marks. So you don't have to write a lot of things. Okay, so please remember this thing. So
Yes, sir.
let me take you to the format. Yeah, you can see here, this is the format of notice writing. Name of the institution, notice, date, title, content, I mean all those things will come. Answer to the questions as I said, what, when, where, whom, and at the end name and designation. I have seen some students making this mistake of writing yours faithfully, yours sincerely, thank you at the end. Is it required?
no,
Some students write like this, thank you.
no,
It's not a part of the notice writing, remember. That's something that you can write in letter.
letters.
Yeah, in notice we
Letter.
don't write these things, thank you, sincerely. Okay, so please remember, don't write that because that will be against the the format and the instructions of notice writing. And the last important thing is writing everything inside a box. Please remember, notice has to be written inside a
Box.
box. All right.
Box.
Yes. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you. Yeah. Please go through these points to remember. Can someone read these points?
So can
Yeah.
the purpose of notice is to inform a large number of people, member of an organization, participants of some event, children of school, or even general public. It should be attractive. It should be. It should have a suitable eye-catching heading. It should have all information clearly and precisely given. The name and designation of the issuing authority should be reflected.
Okay, I hope you have understood the points quite well. That the purpose of the notice is to inform a large number of people, okay, number of members of organization, participants of events, children of the school, or for general public. So it has to be written in an attractive manner. Don't just write a paragraph. Okay, make it look attractive. It should have a suitable eye-catching heading. Okay, the heading has to be eye-catching, something very attractive. Don't write a sentence for the heading. I have seen some students writing even a sentence for the heading. Maximum you can use 4 to 5 words. Remember, 4 to 5 words for the heading. Even one word is enough also. Like, I remember like in classes 5 or 6 children even write lost, lost, lost. Okay, or lost. Something like that. For losing their pen or pencil. They write notice and they write lost. Okay, so that is also enough. So 1 or 2 words or even maximum 4 to 5 words you have to write. It should have a suitable eye-catching heading. It should have all information clearly and precisely given. That's what. Precisely. Remember, precisely means within the word limit. Do not exceed the word limit. For notice writing, what is the word limit? Can you please tell me?
50 words.
Yeah, maximum
50 words.
50 to 60 words. Okay,
50 to 60.
50 to 60 words. The name and designation of the issuing authority should be reflected. In some questions, you can get answer to this name and designation of the issuing authority, like as it is here. But in some questions, you may not. Like here, you are Rakesh Raut, Secretary of the English Debaters Club. So that is the name, Rakesh Raut, and designation is secretary of the English Debaters Club. In some questions you may not find, so there you have to invent, you have to like find out. Okay, and that's not a very big deal, that's quite easy. On the basis of the
You
question,
can write your own name.
yeah, you can write your own name, and on the
Yes.
basis of the question or the topic you can give the designation. It is about a debaters club, you cannot write the designation, for example, manager of a hotel.
Yes, yes.
Understood? Yeah. Or chief executive officer, Oracle. I cannot write that. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now choose one out of the two questions and write a notice now. Write a notice now. यहाँ पे दो question है. You can choose any one question. Who would like to read the first question? Someone who has not read. Bishwajit. Bishwajit Sahu. Can you please read this question? Okay, I think he is not listening to us. Lipsa? Lipsa, I think you are listening to me. Okay, Payal. Very good. Pragya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pragya, can you please read the first question?
Yes, sir. In response to an appeal of the Prime Minister of India, you have arranged a charity show in a school in the cancer patient of the country. Write out a notice informing students about the school and seeking their cooperation for the success of the charity show.
Okay, I hope you understood. Second one, who would like to read? Priyanshi, can you read the second question?
Yes, sir. The principal of Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 CRP Bhubaneswar has asked the school captain Sibani to put a notice on the school notice board requesting the student of the classes 6 to 9 to maintain silence during the coming exams. Senior students, write the notice thinking yourself as Sibani.
Okay, now please choose any one question and write the notice. I want to see. Come on.